Thank you very much, Svit. Dear colleagues, dear friends, dear beekeepers. It is a great privilege to hosting you at our first video conference from the Save the Bees series. The embassy event is intended to connect experts from Slovenia and Iran with the aim of transferring knowledge and technologies in the fields of beekeeping, bee health, and professional education of beekeepers. First of all, of course, I would like to greet our guests from Slovenia, Peter Kozmus, Ariana Farfila, and Lucia Žvokar, who accepted my invitation and have been supporting the embassy's efforts for almost 4 years to connect Slovenian and Iranian beekeepers, experts in the fields of bee health and knowledge exchange. The activities of the Embassy and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and all partners organizations in Slovenia and Iran, with which we carry out activities related to beekeeping and its promotion, education, closer cooperation between experts from both countries. The Embassy has a traditional Slovenia apiary at the garden, where we have been successfully beekeeping for 3 years now. I believe that today's meeting will be a successful one and that it will be followed by the next one in terms of content in line with the interest and conclusions of today's session. And allow me now to give the floor to Dr. Peter Kozmus, head of the breeding program for Carniolan honeybees at the Slovenian Beekeepers Association and vice president of the International Federation of Beekeepers Associations, Apimondia, and of course, my dear friend. Please, Peter, continue.